Welcome to Brain Vision.
So we're told that we have two wires with current flowing through them, and we want to find what current must be flowing in the second wire, I2, so that the magnetic field is zero at a certain spot between the two. So first off, let's see what direction I2 has to be in. So we can see that I1 with the right-hand rule is going to have to be into the page here, so making some magnetic field like that. And then in order for these to possibly cancel out, then we need I2 to make a magnetic field that's out of the page. And so again, with the right-hand rule, we can see that its current has to be flowing in the same direction as I1 for that to happen. So if its current is flowing up, then I2 will be making a magnetic field that is out of the page. And so now those might possibly cancel out. And so this distance, we're told, is 0.022 meters away from the first wire. And then we aren't told the second distance, but we know this total separation is 0.06 meters. So that looks like this should then be 0.038 meters. So just 0.06 minus 0.022. So now we can set up to solve and figure out what I2 is. So we know that the net magnetic field at this point in the middle is zero. And so that's going to consist of the magnetic field from I1. So magnetic field from a wire is mu naught I1 over 2 pi r. And so this is R1. And then we have a magnetic field in the opposite direction, so minus mu naught I2 over 2 pi R2. And so we can say 0 equals, and I'll factor out the mu naught and the 2 pi. So we're left with just I1 over R1, which is 0.022 meters, and then minus I2 over 0.038. So we know that I1 is 2 amps, and we can see then this whole middle term has to give us 0 for this to equal 0. So we just have 2 over 0.022 needs to equal I2 over 0.038. So we can just solve for I2 in there pretty easily, and we'll get 3.5 amps. So it's only going to be at this middle point, like along this line here where the fields will be canceling out. Anywhere else they won't be 0, but just at this one point, or rather along this one line.